Only a short flight away awaits picturesque geography and a thriving nightlife of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach offers the escape you've been looking for. Where you and your loved one can enjoy a cheeky getaway. With plenty of parasols around, even the extremely sun-sensitive can enjoy the beach. For adventure seekers, we recommend some of the local scuba diving. There's nothing else quite like it on the planet. Of course, the nearby attractions are a must-see. So go on and treat yourself to a little fun in the sun.